Okay, here's the last type if they add a whole bunch of things in. And again, you can see that we have a constant term right here, and then kind of this huge quadratic term over here. So we still don't have a big term. And we're going to try to solve this like normal. The first thing you need to realize is you want to get everything away from those parentheses before you try to deal with them. So we're going to add 5 first. I'm going to get 200. Then we're going to divide by 2. And x plus 2 squared equals 100. Then we'll take the square root. And again, you need a positive side and a negative side. So you're going to get x plus 2 equals positive 10. And x plus 2 equals negative 10. And we're going to solve it from here. So I'm going to minus 2. I'm going to minus 2. I'm going to get x equals 8 as one of my answers. Minus 2. I'm going to minus 2. I'm going to get x equals negative 12 is one of my answers. In this file, make sure that your answers a lot of times won't be just the opposite. So in like previous videos, if you found one was 8, the other would be negative 8. That's not going to be true here. They will be different numbers from each other. So just be very, very careful. And make sure, like, when you take the square root, that's when we get our positive side, and that's when we get our negative side. Let's try one more. Okay, so again for this one, I'm going to end up subtracting 3. Which will give me 50. I'm going to divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. And I'm going to get, oops, I forgot my squared up. 5x minus 10 squared equals negative 25. I'm going to take the square root. I'm going to take the square root. And I'm going to stop. Because the square root of negative 25 I can't do. So this thing is a no solution. So again, most of the time when you do this stuff, just stop when you can't go any further. And so you can't go any further as soon as you get a negative square root. Okay, so try these ones. Again, the biggest thing you want to make sure is when you're solving through these ones, when you take the square root, at that stage you have to split it into 2 equations, a positive side and a negative side, specifically because you have 2 answers that you should be able to get.